Three of my four grandparents were physicians, and they're all Ukrainian, and they studied in Germany, and then they came to practice in the United States, and which is incredible. My father is also a physician. I knew that I wanted to connect with people, with patients, and the stories that my grandparents and even my father talked to me about, their patients and how they made things better, that resonated deeply within my soul. When a patient comes to see me, we talk about everything, bladder health, vaginal health, pelvic health, sexual health. It's a lot, and for so many patients, they've not talked about it with anybody before. Nobody's asked the question, and it's not uncommon, especially I think in some of my older patients, to really think about it and really dive in because nobody ever has talked about it. But it's okay. You've come to the right place. It's a very safe place. So a lot of that first visit is, getting that information, diving in, really, really diving in. And then a lot of it is education as well. Education and counseling. It's overwhelming, but we spend the time so that patients leave having a good understanding of what's happening and also feeling empowered with there's treatment. I want my patients to know that I'm with them every step of the way, and whether it's, medical management of the pelvic floor disorder, whether it's we decide to go to surgery, there are many options, and this is your time. These surgeries are often for quality of life. We want to make your life better. I feel like it is very gratifying work because the patients that are coming to us have complaints that are so hard to talk about, leaking of urine when they're walking to the grocery store, when they're jumping on a trampoline with their kids, having to map out every single bathroom that exists when they're on a grocery trip or just shopping. With my specialty, being able to talk to the patients and let them know what's happening, educate them about what's going on, and basically when we help them with their problem, giving them their life back. I can't tell you how many patients after, I've operated on them or just treated them in the clinic have said, "You've given me my life back." And hearing those words is extremely and deeply satisfying.